yeah, yogurt chicken. This much now in one Sunday. Oh, this is Corona? No, this is not Corona. You are sure? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. CJ, you want to crush my... Thank you. Oh my god. Gonna play Cyberpunk? I have bad computer for this. Like, no, I can't, I think. I can't. 100%. Georgie? Boy. Ой. Let's go check graphics. Maybe where is setting? Oh, thank you. Where is setting? Stop! Kill me! Girl. Very nice teeth and I'm so happy. Wait. Oh my god, oh my god. So tasty. So tasty. So tasty. Corona? No, that's not Corona. You can have. My father has this. 3. And my father have license about this. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god. Going to see your family for Christmas? No, I will... Hi, Manimu! How are you? Will be alright, Coxic. Stream career? Absolutely nothing. And this is not my career, this stream, this is not my work, this is my hobby. Wow! Well, that's like so cool. Yeah, and I'm so happy because I have this lens. That's awesome. Picture is so beautiful and something. Oh, thanks you. Thank you. Oh, I said you have very cute. You're raining a lot? That's interesting. Cool. Cool. No, that's not COVID. That's just me. That's how toxic chi make chi. Much for the one sub, thank you. Oi. Oops. Oopsie. Thank you so much for the one subscribe, thank you. And oh, Heiko, thank you so much for the 100 beats, thank you. Wait. What? That's his hype train! Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yo, meet. She's strange. She afraid us. Oops. Oh shit, oh shit. So sexy. So tasty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I really wait, you know, well, I think one day I will sneeze like and I will have very very long boogers here. Like yeah, that was I have to finish. I have to finish this. Thank you, thank you, thank you.